Church Windows Desktop is a powerful church management software, but before you decide to buy it, there are some important things you need to know. It's crucial to understand how it stacks up against other options on the market, so stick around as we cover everything you should consider before making your purchase. First off, Church Windows Desktop offers a comprehensive suite of features, including member management, event scheduling, contribution tracking, and accounting tools. This makes it a solid choice for churches of various sizes. However, compared to newer cloud-based competitors, like Breeze or Planning Center, Church Windows Desktop might feel a bit outdated. While it's reliable, the user interface can feel a bit clunky, and it requires software downloads and updates, unlike cloud options that work seamlessly across devices without installation. Next thing you need to know is that Church Windows Desktop is a one-time purchase with no ongoing subscription fees. This can be an advantage if you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly option. But when compared to subscription-based models, such as Tithe.li or ChurchTrack, the initial cost can be higher. Those other platforms often offer flexible pricing plans, so you're paying as you go, which might fit better for smaller churches or those just starting out. The third thing to keep in mind is customer support. Church Windows offers solid customer service, including phone and email support, and they have an extensive knowledge base. However, the level of support can sometimes fall short when compared to more agile competitors like Planning Center, which offers chat support and faster response times. Next, Church Windows Desktop is designed primarily for Windows users. This means that if your church uses Mac OS or other operating systems, you'll need to consider workarounds or using a virtual machine to run the software. Cloud-based options like Breeze or Church Suite, on the other hand, are compatible with any device that has internet access, making them far more versatile for teams with mixed operating systems. The fifth thing to consider is Church Windows accounting and donation tracking capabilities. These features are robust and can track all the necessary details for tax reporting and budgeting. But again, it's not as seamless as newer solutions like ChurchTrack, which offers built-in integrations with other financial tools and online giving platforms. Moving on to the sixth point, Church Windows Desktop doesn't offer as much automation in areas like attendance tracking or volunteer scheduling as some cloud competitors. For example, Planning Center automatically checks in attendees and volunteers through their app, which can save you time and effort. If automation is a high priority for you, Church Windows may feel a bit behind. Next thing, while Church Windows has a reliable mobile app, it's not as feature-rich as some cloud options. For example, Breeze allows church members to manage their profiles, give online, and even sign up for events directly from their phones. Church Windows mobile app is more limited, which might be an issue for churches looking for a fully integrated mobile experience. The eighth point is about customization. Church Windows is highly customizable, especially when it comes to creating reports and tailored member records. However, it requires a bit more technical expertise than cloud solutions like Tithe.li or Planning Center, which often offer easier to use drag-and-drop features and templates. Another thing to know is the data backup and security. Church Windows Desktop stores data locally, which means you're responsible for backing it up. While they offer cloud storage as an option, it's not included by default. Cloud-based systems, however, often include automatic backups and high-level security measures built in, which reduces your risk of data loss or security breaches. The 10th thing to consider is pricing flexibility. Church Windows charges a one-time fee based on the number of users and modules you need. While this can be great for budgeting, it may become more expensive if you need to add additional features later. On the other hand, cloud-based solutions offer tiered pricing, so you can scale your plan as your needs grow. The 11th point is about the learning curve. Church Windows Desktop is packed with features, but the interface can be intimidating to new users. Cloud-based options tend to be more intuitive and user-friendly, with easy walkthroughs and tutorials to get you started quickly. Lastly, Church Windows Desktop is a solid option for churches that prefer desktop software with an established track record. It's especially good for churches